Today I'm in southwest France, house hunting around the beautiful countryside of Limousin.
I'm Jean Johansson, and over the last 15 years I've been buying, selling and renovating properties both in the UK and overseas. Today I'm going to be using all my skills to find the perfect place for my house hunter Rachel, who's with her niece Caroline, and we make the right noises.
Ooh!
Though I don't always deliver the goods.
Do you like the theme that's going on?
It's not right for me. It just feels too old.
I visit a luxury chateau where you definitely won't be twiddling your thumbs.
Swimming pool, jacuzzi, sauna, tennis, golf, orangery.
You're just showing off now.
But at the end of the day, do I find my house hunters their perfect place in the sun?
Just getting close to the life you want in France.
It really is. This is just it.
After 40 years dedicated to work, Rachel has decided it's time to kick back and relax. She's looking for a new life here in rural France, and to help her find her forever home, she's brought along her best friend and niece, Caroline.
Retired IT manager Rachel, who lives in West Yorkshire, reckons she and Caroline, who's a primary school teacher, will be the perfect combination of head and heart when it comes to finding her dream home.
I think I'm probably heart. I think
I'm probably more likely to be head because it's not my house. I'm more able to kind of look a bit more from an outside perspective and kind of help you.
Yeah, I'm going for feelings
Yeah.
and how I feel about a property rather than my head.
And I'll go in with some practicalities.
Yes, please do.
Rachel has a budget of £70,000 to buy a permanent home in Limousin, where she's planning to move with her two dogs, Peggy and Nora.
I love water, and I know that Limousin has got a lot of rivers and lakes. It's not too far down that it's going to be too hot, and it's not too far up that it's going to be too cold, so I'm happy with that.
To get to Limousin in southwestern France, you can fly into the regional capital, Limoges, in less than 2 hours from the UK. Or if you're driving, it's around 7 hours from Calais, traffic permitting. Limousin is a very peaceful and rural part of France. Around a third of the region is made up of forests, and there are more than 7,000 natural lakes, making it popular with swimmers and lovers of water sports. With no big cities apart from Limoges, the region's full of small and quintessentially French towns and villages, with plenty of places to sample the gourmet food and wine grown in the surrounding countryside.
If it's value for money you're looking for, Limousin is a fantastic place to come. In fact, it's one of the cheapest places to buy in France. And with a typical two-bedroom house in good condition with a garden starting at £35,000, well, you can't argue with that.
Before we get started, I'm meeting up with my house hunters in the Champ de Juillet, a lovely park in Limoges, to find out more about them and what Rachel's looking for property-wise.
Rachel and Caroline, welcome to Limousin.
Thank you. It's nice to be here.
And it's a warm welcome because neither of you have been here before.
That's true.
So when did you decide you wanted to get a property here?
I decided really at the end of 2021 that I was going to sell my UK home. I honestly don't know where France originated from, but once it was in my head and it's like, yeah, I'm going there. That's what I'm doing.
It is a huge country, so why have you chosen the Limousin region?
And Limousin has beautiful countryside, the rivers, the lakes. I mean, it just sold it to me.
Yes, I mean, it is an absolutely beautiful region. So imagine your new life here. I mean, what will you be doing in all that spare time? What are your hobbies?
I'd love to do some more baking, and I like the knitting and crocheting, but also just walking the dogs, getting out into the countryside, sitting and watching the world go by.
I can see your face lighting up at just the thought of it.
I know, I like it.
And Caroline, I assume you'll be coming out quite a lot, so what would you like to be doing, you know, when you're visiting?
I'd love to do the markets, get a bargain at the markets, taking the dogs for a walk, and I also really enjoy kayaking. It's just so calm and peaceful.
So what's on your wish list for this property?
I'd like a minimum of 2 bedrooms. Garden is very important to me.
Okay.
I would like a larger kitchen and maybe separate from the living space.
All right.
I'd like to be near coffee shops or things where I can go and get your nice morning breakfast roll. And water. I love to be by water.
Okay, so you get £70,000 cash to spend.
Yes, that's
Any
right.
wiggle room on that?
There is some wiggle room. I could certainly go up to another sort of, say, 10, 15,000 on that.
Okay. Now, you're renting back in the UK?
I am. I chose, when I sold my property, to rent so that I could look in France and move to France. So I don't want it to take a long time.
I hear the clock ticking.
It
Okay.
absolutely is.
I take the hint that says, Jean, find me a property
Yes,
now.
please. Yes,
Okay.
please.
I'll take the challenge. I think your wish list is great. You know what you want. You've got a good budget in a beautiful region, and we've got lovely Caroline here
We
to do it
have.
as well. You're looking forward to it?
Yes.
Let's get started.
Well, I'm really looking forward to this house hunt, and there's nothing to fire me up like a bit of time pressure. So without further ado, we're off to Bourganeuf, a lovely town which showcases some of the many delights this region has to offer.
Now, as well as finding you the perfect property for your new life in France, I also want to introduce you to Bourganeuf.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
And these are the kind of towns you'll get all across the Limousin region. What do you think of the architecture and the layout?
Love the stone buildings,
Beautiful. Yeah.
shutters on the
Shutters.
buildings.
Yeah, it's just stunning.
There's a coffee culture here. You said you
Yes.
like that.
Yes,
you
I
know,
do,
this is a
definitely.
place where you can sit out at coffee shops and really watch the world go by.
Yeah, perfect.
Now, behind here is a 15th century tower that also worked as a jail. It held a Ottoman prince called Zimzim. So it's known as the Tower of Zimzim. And I've seen it around the town here in Bourganeuf, so it must have been a notorious character.
I will have to look that up.
This town
Yes.
has everything you need, you know, your patisserie, boulangerie,
Yes.
charcuterie. Can you imagine yourself in a place like this?
Oh, no, I really can. It's beautiful.
Beautiful place.
And are you going to have a car when you move out here?
I am. Yes, I am planning to have a car, definitely.
Excellent, because my first property is about a 25-minute drive from
Oh,
here.
okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Should we go and explore a little Bourganeuf on the way?
Let's do that.
After you.
That 25-minute drive takes us to the rural village of Châtillon-le-Marché, which, despite an increase in prices in recent years due to French city dwellers moving here, is still a fairly affordable place to buy, meaning my first place comes in quite a bit under Rachel's budget.
We're about 25-minute drive from that lovely town square in Bourganeuf. We're about a 40-minute drive from Limoges. And this is my first property to show you.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Oh, it's lovely.
Yeah, it is nice.
And what do you think of the little village that it's in? Because you'll have seen on the drive-in, we've got post office, a shop, a bar, restaurant. That's more than you get in a lot of these little French villages.
No, it is. It's beautiful.
You like it?
I'd really like it.
Okay. 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, separate WC, and a cute little garden round the back. This property's on the market for just under £55,500.
That's
Wow.
brilliant, isn't it? Oh, it's fab.
That's great.
Let me take you inside then. Come on.
This house has a garden as well as an area of woodland for the dogs to run around in, and a balcony with views into the countryside. Inside, there's a large, light and airy living and dining room, a separate kitchen diner, and a toilet downstairs. Upstairs, there are 2 pretty double bedrooms and a bathroom. There's also a large basement with potential to be converted, and a garage.
Kitchen's across the hallway. Let's start here in the living and dining space.
Oh, wow.
Lovely. It's much bigger than I thought it would be.
Double aspect.
Yeah, the light comes all
Yes,
the way through.
absolutely. Oh, that's
It's
really,
really
lovely.
lovely.
So you like the room?
I do.
What do you think of this furniture?
Well, it fits, it fits into the room. I would think about new or bringing my own.
I agree that this is a room that's really big in space and got lots of potential.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, definitely.
Definitely.
So let's see more of the house then. You
Yes.
wanted a separate kitchen?
Ideally, yes.
Yeah.
Across the hall there.
Oh, let's go. Oh, wow.
Another good size.
Another good sized room.
This is nice.
I mean, would you keep this kitchen? Is this in your style?
Possibly not, no.
Yeah, I think you'd want to upgrade it.
I think
update
definitely.
it a little bit.
Yeah, definitely. But from a size of the room perspective, it gives you all sorts of options.
Great, I agree with you.
Yeah.
2 great rooms.
Yeah.
And I know that the garden's really important to you, so
It
should we
is.
have a look?
Yeah,
Right,
let's.
we'll go via the garage. Just
All
right
right,
here.
okay.
Great.
Come on out to the garden.
Oh,
And
wow.
remember, you've got that woodland area as well, so it's
Yes.
a potential extra garden over there.
Oh, wonderful.
Oh, this is great.
It is, isn't it?
What do you picture yourself doing in your wee garden in France?
I like flowers, so I'd probably put more flowers and things around. But mainly the grass area for the dogs.
And it's so peaceful and green round here that you really feel
is.
you're in the countryside.
You do.
Yeah, you do.
You absolutely do.
But I'm really happy to be getting off to a positive start. And I think you should just go round and look round the rest of the property on your own. Take your time, take in all the nooks and crannies.
Yeah.
Come and find me, and I'll see what you think at the end.
Okay,
Right?
thank you.
Thank you.
See you soon. Oh, I've gotten off to such a positive start with this property, and I'm not surprised. It's a great location, beautiful garden, and a great price.
This looks like the main bedroom. It's a nice sized room.
Definitely enough space.
Yeah,
It's a good size.
I really like it.
Yeah.
Oh, Caroline, just look at this.
Oh,
Isn't
wow.
this beautiful?
Look at the views.
Absolutely stunning.
Yeah, not at all overlooked here,
No,
are you?
not at all. So peaceful.
Well, it's always nice to get off to a good start, and I reckon I've done that with this house, which is on the market for just under £55,500. Rachel and her niece Caroline seem keen on the space and the potential it has to offer.
So you had to look round the whole thing?
Yeah, had a really good look round. She's a lovely property. I love this property. The garden is smaller than I was envisaging, but still totally workable. So no, I like it.
Caroline?
I think it's got loads of light and big rooms. You know,
Yeah.
the living room and dining room were quite a surprise to us, and then the master bedroom is a good size. And I think the garden is a little bit small, but could be workable with the dogs.
Okay, so the garden, a little bit small, property itself, is it a contender?
Yes, it's a contender for me.
Good. It's a nice way to start, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely.
We see another one?
Yeah,
Do a little stop off on the way.
Okay, sounds good.
Come on, ladies.
Well, I'm delighted to be kicking off with a contender, though there is some room for improvement, particularly in the garden department. Now, Limousin is known as the French Lake District, so en route to property number 2, I thought we'd pay a quick visit to Saint-Pardoux Lake, one of the best bodies of water in an area that's not exactly short of them.
Oh,
To show you this magnificent lake.
It is stunning.
Now, one of the things that you asked for in your wish list was to be close to water.
Yes.
So I thought I'd bring you to Lake Saint-Pardoux.
Absolutely beautiful.
When you got your place here, you bring the car down, spend the whole day here because there's restaurants, cafes, there's walks, swim, get active, maybe sit for a couple of hours with a book as well.
Exactly.
How does that sound?
Oh, that's idyllic.
Is this getting close to the life you want in France?
It really is. This is just it.
Oh, great. That is great news. And my next property's about a half an hour drive from here. So, I mean, this could be your local lake.
Brilliant.
Nice?
Yeah, really good.
Let's go and see another
Let's
house then.
go.
Come on. Coming up, if it's more space Rachel and Caroline are after, I think they're going to love my next property. A 2-bedroom detached house that comes with this lovely wraparound garden. Today I'm in southwest France with Rachel and her niece Caroline. They're searching for Rachel's dream new home in the glorious countryside of Limousin. And we've got off to a good start. Rachel loved my first property and she loved the price.
My house hunter Rachel, who has a maximum budget of £85,000, and her niece Caroline liked most things about this house, but would ideally have liked it to have a bigger garden for Rachel's 2 dogs to run around in. So that's what I'm planning to serve up with property number 2. It's in the lovely and lively village of Saint-Sulpice-le-Foy, which is known for its weekly market. It's popular with buyers from France, the US and the UK. It is a fairly pricey part of the region though, so I've had to dip into Rachel's wiggle room a bit with this place.
So about a half an hour drive from that lovely lake. This is Saint-Sulpice.
wow.
It's got a little bit more than the previous village.
Yes, noticed that. Yes.
Got a vet, mini market, just a little bit more going on here.
I like it.
Yeah, quite similar to the style of the property we looked at before.
Yeah.
I think the 2 levels, you've got the upstairs, the downstairs, which is quite interesting. I mean, it looks interesting. We'll have a look
It
at
does,
it.
yeah.
This is also a 2-bedroom property.
Okay.
A little bit more space for you in the bedrooms. Got WC, bathroom. This one is a doer-upper.
Right, okay.
Yeah. This property's on the market for just over £72,500.
Okay.
Well within your budget?
Yeah, definitely.
How's the location and the property working for you just from out here?
You know, I think it's really good location. I love the little sort of villagey town nearby. Yeah, I really like this.
Good. Off to another good start there.
Yes.
Let's get in. Follow me.
This house has just over half an acre of outside space, including a big back garden and a balcony to one side. Inside, which could all do with a refurb, is all on one level and has a large light-filled living room, a separate kitchen, 2 bedrooms, both of which enjoy lots of light, a shower room and a toilet. There's also a big basement consisting of a garage and an adjoining room, plus an outbuilding in the garden.
So again, kitchen across the hall, but come into the living space.
Oh, wow.
It's a good size.
It is a good size.
I'm glad that you're not put off by the maybe slightly outdated decor.
No, that would go, yes.
Yeah, of course, yes, yes.
I think you can see through it though, can't you?
Yeah.
You can imagine it differently.
Absolutely.
Yeah, we'd definitely take the wallpaper down.
Yes.
You wanted a bigger second bedroom for yourself when you come to stay?
Yes, please.
Let's go and have a look at it for size. Just down the hall here.
Definitely a bit bigger.
Oh, good.
Yeah, you can feel that it is a little bit bigger.
Well, this is nice for you because what we're seeing is very traditional French. I mean, what is your style? What do you want your French home to look like?
I like character. I don't like sort of minimalist and just all to take all the character away from a property. So I'd work with the building.
Well, you could head down to the market and buy some nice cushions and bits and bobs, and yeah, that'd be nice. And something else I wanted to offer you with this was more garden. Just look out there.
Wow. Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
That's phenomenal.
Should we just get out and see it?
Oh, yes, please.
Yes.
Slightly bigger than the garden in the previous
It's
property.
phenomenally bigger. It's a beautiful space, is this, and you could do so much with it.
Yeah, it's fantastic. It's a lot of space.
It is.
Dogs would love it.
They absolutely would.
You said, you know, once you live here and you've got that time you want to start gardening.
I think I would look to put in a vegetable patch and grow some
nice.
vegetables. I've spotted some outbuildings, so, you know, you could get some chickens or a goat.
Oh,
Or more dogs.
More and more animals are coming. Go in and look round the rest of it. You need to check out the kitchen, that second bedroom, and the garage space as well.
Okay,
Yeah?
we'll do that.
I'll come and meet up with you.
See you soon.
I think she really likes this one, and plenty of room for the dogs.
So we have a kitchen.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, needs a bit of work, this one, I think.
I think you'd need to, you need to get a bit of work done, take off the cabinets, redo those.
If you reconfigured it, you could still get a table in here.
You could, yeah.
Just needs some work, I think, does this, definitely.
Oh, this is all right.
Oh, it is, it's a nice main bedroom.
You've got such a beautiful view of the garden as well.
Exactly, yes, you'd put your bed sort of here, wouldn't
Yeah.
you? Be able to look straight out at that beautiful view.
Yeah,
That
you
is
would.
fabulous.
Well, Rachel and Caroline wanted more space, and there's no doubt I've given them that with this house, which is on the market for just over £72,500. I was slightly worried they might be put off by the work that needs doing, but that doesn't seem to bother them. So it's happy days once again.
So what did you think of it all?
I really like this one.
Oh, that's
I
great
do
news.
really like this one.
Yeah.
Bits of work to do. You'd need to change the kitchen and the bathroom in this one, without a doubt. But the outdoor space is just phenomenal. I can't think of anything bad to say about
Well,
it.
that's music to my ears. It is a really great space, and you're near a village that's got a lot going on. That's going to be
Yes.
important to you when you're here on
Absolutely,
your own.
yes.
Well, do I have myself another contender?
You have?
So how about I just show you something a bit different?
Oh, yes.
Something that doesn't need any work.
Ooh.
Let's go, come on.
Fantastic. I just love the enthusiasm of these ladies, and I'm happy with 2 contenders in the bag with 3 more properties to try and find something even better. The next of them is in the town of Bellac, but before we visit it, I thought we'd meet up with someone who can explain to Rachel and Caroline what it's like moving out here to Limousin from the UK.
Hi, Shirani.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
This is Rachel and Caroline. Now, Shirani moved here about 5 years ago and you run a guest house?
That's right, a chambre d'hôte bed and breakfast.
Oh, beautiful.
Shirani, was it a difficult move?
It was challenging, but there's lots of support here, and it's just getting used to a different lifestyle and the language. I think that's the biggest thing. If you can learn French,
Then you're better off.
yes, yeah.
And would you recommend this area? I mean, it looks beautiful.
I would. It's amazing. The roads are fantastic. There's a lot of support around here from lots of nationalities.
So people
yes.
willing to help you sort of settle in and make friends and
Yes,
join the community.
Yes. I've been amazed, actually, how supportive people are around here.
What would you say is the best thing about living in France?
For me, I was on an inhaler for asthma when I was back in the UK, and since living in France, I haven't had to use one at all.
Better air quality, you
Yes, yes, definitely.
think? You really do have it all living here in beautiful Bellac. Thanks so much for taking time to talk to us.
Pleasure.
I'm going to show these two some more properties. Okay.
Thank
Nice
you
to
so
meet
much.
you.
Good to meet you.
Coming up, I can't wait to show Rachel and Caroline something completely different. This renovated townhouse that comes with a great garden and is just a 5-minute walk from the beautiful village of Bellac. Today I'm in Limousin in France, helping Rachel and her niece Caroline find Rachel's dream new home that can work for her and her 2 Romanian rescue dogs, Peggy and Nora. And we've got off to a flying start. I've got 2 great contenders that they both love.
Those contenders are this house in a lovely village and this place with a wraparound garden, which needs a bit of work doing to it. And I'm hoping to give Rachel, who has a maximum budget of £85,000, and her niece Caroline some more options with 3 more properties to go. My next one is in the town of Bellac, where around 10% of the population is British. Prices and demand round here have dropped after peaking in the last couple of years, so I've managed to find somewhere which doesn't need much doing to it for a bit below budget.
So just a short walk from that beautiful village of Bellac. I'm throwing in something a bit different.
OK.
This is an end of terrace, 2-bedroom townhouse with a garden.
OK. It's different.
Yes, yes, yes.
Different.
It hasn't got the same curb appeal as the other 2, but this is just the outside and you don't live on the outside of your house.
Absolutely. So you've got 2 bedrooms here, a shower and a WC. It's full of charm, this house.
Okay.
It's very French. There's lots of little different things going on, but you could kind of configure it how you wanted. Another good price with this property, it's on the market for just under £66,000.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's really good.
Yeah. Let me show you what the inside offers. Come on.
This house has a spacious and dog-friendly back garden, a cosy living room, another living and dining room, a separate kitchen, plus 1 bedroom and a shower room downstairs. Upstairs there's another bedroom and a shower room.
Right, it's got the kitchen off the landing across the hall.
OK.
Come into this room, which is a living room, drawing room, salon, if you like.
It's quite a traditional kind of theme going on in here, isn't there?
Yes.
Do you like the theme that's going on?
Not particularly. It's a lot darker than the other houses, isn't it?
Maybe it is the dark furniture in here that is making it a bit darker, but yeah, we don't have that double aspect light that the previous properties had. I mean, do you like the furniture?
Not particularly.
Okay, no, I appreciate your honesty. I'll tell you why, because the owners have had all the furniture valued at around £8,000. So if you were interested in it, you know, you could start negotiate bits and pieces.
Okay.
But if you want the place completely empty, if you were interested, you could do that too.
Right, OK.
And would you consider a townhouse, do you think?
I'm not sure now, looking at this. I'm not sure. I need to see maybe more.
Okay, why don't we do that? Let's go
Yeah.
to the room across the hall.
OK.
Great.
We head in there to the sort of second sitting room.
OK.
Okay. This is a bigger room.
Oh, this is a bigger room, yes.
It's a big room and it's a bit brighter as well. Because you've got
Yes.
the back door that leads out to the garden, you've got this window.
Yeah.
It's definitely a nicer room. I think it's bigger and feels a bit more spacious, bit lighter.
I'm not feeling this place. I'm afraid, I'm sorry. It's not right for me. It just feels too old.
Oh, well, it's an old property. I think around 150 years old, this house is. Should I show you around the whole property, or is this not for you?
No, I'd say this is not for me. I don't think this is going to grow on me.
I appreciate your honesty. We're halfway through the research, so you do have to start getting quite ruthless.
Yeah,
you want to live
absolutely.
here full time, and if you're not getting a good feeling of this property, then it's not for you.
Yeah.
So what would you like to see next?
It would be nice to see a property where you can walk into the house rather than walking upstairs to the house, still the garden size.
I think that second property with the big garden for the dogs is the one to beat, isn't it?
It's the one in my head.
I
at the
can
moment,
tell. All right,
yes.
OK, I've got another 2 chances.
You have?
After you, ladies.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, it's such a shame this property didn't work for Rachel, but as I always say, onwards and upwards.
Well, 3 properties in and I've had my first strikeout. I'm disappointed Rachel didn't like this townhouse, which is on the market for just under £66,000, as I think it's full of charm and in a great location, but it just wasn't for her. So we'll swiftly move on. Now, one thing I do know is Rachel likes arts and crafts, and I also know Caroline likes a market. So on the way to property number 4, we're stopping off in the lovely town of Montmorillon, on the banks of the River Gartempe, to visit somewhere I know will put a smile on both their faces.
My little tour of Limousin continues, and I wanted to bring you here on market day. What do you think of this?
Oh, it's brilliant.
Yeah.
Absolutely lovely. You've got the whole gamut of things you can buy here.
I
like
mean,
this.
you really can get everything. I saw beds as we were walking in here, so you can furnish your new property. I mean, it really does have everything.
It does. It does. I love it. I love it.
Crafts is something that you said
Yes,
you would like to start
definitely.
doing again, so I
Yes.
can already see some pieces here that'd be good for upcycling.
So
Do you like that kind of thing?
Yes. Metal work for the garden. Yeah, lovely.
Oh, good. I'm inspiring you and giving you ideas.
Yes.
I think we should wander along and see a little bit more of this market.
Oh,
but
yes.
My property's about a 20-minute drive from here, so
Okay.
on a Wednesday and a Saturday, yeah,
This is where
the
I'll
place
be.
to come. Let's go and have a look for some bargains.
Okay, let's go.
After a bit more shopping, we're off to my 4th property in the hamlet of La Courondière, just outside the town of Azaz-les-Rits. It's a very quiet and rural part of the world, even for Limousin, and it's very popular at the moment with British second home buyers. I found Rachel somewhere with lots of space inside and out, though I have had to go quite far into her wiggle room.
So I brought you to a little hamlet this time.
Oh, wow.
This is close to a place called Azaz-les-Rits,
Right.
and this is my next property.
Oh, very pretty.
I think it's really cute.
It's pretty.
Obviously, because I brought you to a hamlet, I'm able to offer you something where you go in on the ground floor.
Okay.
How's that sounding for you?
It's sounding really good.
So we've got 2 bedrooms, spacious, charming, wraparound garden. If you look across the road, your land continues.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wow.
And the owner tells me that the dogs hang out in this part of the garden, and then for a treat, if they've been good, they get taken over to that area. So she's got a couple of areas for the dogs. Could that work for your
It
2 as
definitely
well?
could, yeah. Yeah.
Right, this property is on the market for just over £82,000.
Okay.
The agent has said that the owner will listen to offers around 80.
Okay.
Plenty of
Sounds good.
storage in that barn.
Yes. Beautiful doors.
So go in, have a good look round yourselves, and I'm really excited to see what you think about this one.
Thank you.
Let's go.
See you soon. That's what I like to see. They look really happy and positive again.
This detached farmhouse comes with almost 1/4 of an acre of land, including a back garden and a bigger section over the road. Inside, there's a living room, a light and bright kitchen diner, and a downstairs toilet. And upstairs, there's a spacious main bedroom, a second double bedroom, and a shower room. There's also a big barn which joins onto the house, and a guest caravan in the plot of land over the road.
Oh, look.
Ooh, I like how open it is.
Yes, it is. It's really open.
I think you'd maybe want to like think about where your cabinets are going and maybe move some things around.
Oh, this is a lovely sized room.
Yeah, I like this room.
Lovely light coming through.
Yeah, beautiful windows.
Oh, this is a lovely bedroom.
What a big room too for your bedroom.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh my goodness, look at the
Look
ceiling.
at the space of this.
It's huge. You could do so much in here.
And that door.
It's amazing, the door,
It's
isn't it?
great. look at this little area.
This is so cute.
Isn't it?
And loads of land for the dogs.
Exactly.
This country house, which is on the market for a negotiable just over £82,000, made a really good first impression on Rachel and Caroline. And now they've had a good look round and seen everything it has to offer, I reckon they could be feeling even better than that.
Hi.
Hi. How cute is the caravan?
Beautiful, love it.
I bet the grandchildren would love that area.
Oh, yes.
Caravan's great, it's a nice wee bonus. But what did you think of the property?
I love it. There is so much space here, and the outside space surprised me. There's so much more than you think there is at first glance.
Yeah, and this is great on this side of the road as well.
Yeah, definitely. The house itself, very French farmhousey, very, very lovely. Yeah, it's a lovely house, and so much land, so much indoor land and outdoor land.
So, is it contender?
It is a contender, yes.
Oh, I'm glad to hear it. I think this is a really charming house and a great setup for the dogs as well.
Yes.
So I've got the two houses with the stairs going up, one with a nice big garden out the back. Are they still both in the running?
Property 2 is still in the running. I think I'm discounting Property 1 now. I mean, it was quite similar to Property 2, so of the two, Property 2 is by far my preference, and the garden was a bit small in Property 1. And also with Property 1, you came straight down the stairs and out into the road. So, yeah, I think I'm discounting 1 now.
OK, well, I've got two great contenders. Quite like having 3, so I'm going to go for it with my last property. Let's get active on the way.
Oh, OK.
Yeah, active in this heat. You looking forward to that?
Yeah, of course.
Bring it on.
Coming up, I hope to get that third contender in the mix with this lovely blue-shuttered house in the countryside.
Could you live here, Rachel?
I think I could, Jane.
Today I'm in France house hunting around the stunning countryside of Limousin with Rachel, who with the help of her niece Caroline is looking for her new forever home. It's been a great search so far. I've got 2 contenders and a fabulous house lined up next, so I'm hoping for another one.
My house hunter Rachel, who has a maximum budget of £85,000, is currently keen on this doer-upper house and this farmhouse in the countryside. But I think my 5th and final property, the biggest place I've shown her and Caroline so far, could give them both a run for their money. But before we go there, I'm heading to the village of La Planche, south of Limoges, to check out this stunning 10-bedroom chateau, which is currently run as a luxury B&B and wedding venue, and is on the market for just under £1.5 million. I'm meeting agent Andrew for a tour.
Welcome to the lounge.
Ooh, colour, I love it.
Yep. And some beautiful furniture. So this is the main lounge for the ground floor.
I can see that it's been decorated with love, some really nice pieces of furniture, fabrics and the lampshades and lighting. It's all been really well thought out, and it's a modern take on a French chateau.
The guests absolutely love it. You only have to look at the guest book to see that.
It's a lot of fun. I'd love to see more. Oh, this is lovely. We must be in the round tower here, right?
You are. So this is the main principal bedroom. It's the bridal suite.
So how much would it cost to stay here for a night?
You can stay here for £170 a night.
That sounds like a bargain, Andrew.
You're in the tower. It's just pure luxury. So, welcome to the gardens, the park. 2 hectares of garden, including a swimming pool, jacuzzi, sauna, tennis, golf, orangery.
You're just showing off now.
It's got everything.
Yeah.
And perfect venue for weddings.
Yeah, this would be a beautiful venue, and it's great that you can come and stay here. Thank you so much for showing me around. I'm going to get myself booked in.
You're more than welcome.
Thank you.
Well, I'd love to stay there next time I'm in the area. You wouldn't get bored, would you? But now my main activity is finding Rachel and her 2 pet pooches, of course, their dream property, which I'm hoping could be my 5th and final one. It's in the hamlet of Loom, a short drive from the nearest village, which has a few shops and a restaurant. I've gone big in every sense of the word here. So I've had to go a smidge over Rachel's budget, but there is some flexibility when it comes to price.
Follow me into the front garden here. Now again, we're about 3 minutes from Azalerie.
OK.
It's final property time.
Oh, it's just stunning. Isn't it lovely?
I really like it.
Windows.
And the beautiful shutters.
Yeah,
They're
they are
gorgeous.
gorgeous.
We've got a 3-bedroom here.
Oh,
I love your reactions. With a potential for a 4.
oh.
Got lots of little rooms, snugs. You want to do crafting, there's a little space where you could do that. And look at the garden.
It's beautiful.
This property's on the market for just under £85,500.
Okay.
That's
Oh, gosh.
amazing.
I can't wait to get in.
Right, let's get in, you're itching.
Oh, I can't wait.
This house has a front garden and a back garden with a shaded courtyard area. Inside on the ground floor, there's an open plan living, dining and kitchen space, a second snug living room, 1 bedroom, another currently empty room which could also be a bedroom, a shower room and a toilet. Upstairs is another bedroom plus a landing area that could easily become bedroom 4. There's also a barn currently used for storage.
Come on in. So up the stairs there, you've got 2 sort of bedroom areas. And I wanted to start with this room because
Okay.
it's been used as a bedroom, but I think it could be a living room.
It could easily, yes. Beautiful fireplace. It's a lovely room. And again, high ceilings. You know, you've got that space.
This would be a great space as a workroom or for crafting.
Oh,
that lovely
yes.
light. Got your WC and shower room. And then into the kitchen. Entrance into here. That stairway takes you up to the main bedroom. And this is the kitchen area.
Yes.
That is the kitchen.
Bit compact.
Yeah.
I was expecting a bigger kitchen for this house. I mean, the kitchen, don't get me wrong, is big, but the sort of kitchen space is very small.
To extend it out would cost you around £5,000, which I think would be worth investing in
investment,
to get
yes.
a bigger kitchen, because
Yes.
that's too small, isn't it?
It is. I would.
need some work.
Yeah. I feel as if I need to win you over again now.
A bit.
All right, okay, no, I appreciate your honesty. Let's go out to the garden.
Okay.
See if that does it. Right, so you've got a little courtyard area there. Round the corner is the entrance to the barn. You saw the front garden. This is round the side.
Oh, it's a lovely space.
There's so much room here.
And little shaded areas.
Yes.
And look,
Yeah,
can you see
yes.
those little grapes growing?
Oh,
Little mini vineyard here.
wow. Wine. Yeah, it's a lovely garden.
Could you live here, Rachel?
I think I could, Jane.
Just thrown a spanner in the works there, haven't
You
I?
have.
There's a lot of property to see. There's a little snug area just off the kitchen. Get up and see the bedrooms. Make sure you go in the barn. And let's see where this one falls.
Okay.
Excited.
Let's go and have a look.
Thank you.
Well, she said she could live here. That's a good sign.
Oh, this is a cute little room.
Oh, I love this.
You could watch the dogs playing out there.
Beautiful
I could
garden
see
too.
yourself sitting here.
Sit and read a book with a
Yeah,
coffee.
Exactly. So this is the main bedroom. Oh, it's a big room, Caroline. Plenty of space for things. 2 beds.
Yeah.
Looks like a balcony there. This is a good space.
Really good space.
Well, apart from the kitchen area needing a bit of beefing up, Rachel seems to love pretty much everything else about this house, which is on the market for a negotiable just under £85,500. I'm feeling good about this one.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
It's a lot of property to look round.
I was just going to say that this is a lot of property. Lots of rooms, lots of more bedrooms than I've had before.
Yes.
The opposite of that, of course, is that it's a big house to maintain when there's only one of you in the main. So these are all the things I need to consider when I'm weighing up my options of what is the best property for me in France.
Of course. This is a contender?
I think, yeah, definitely it's a contender.
Okay, good. So we've got this property here. We have our house in the village
We have.
that you loved,
Yeah.
still in the running,
Yep,
and the farmhouse just down the road.
down the road, yes, those are the 3.
Yeah, well, I'm going to give you the evening. We'll be up tomorrow when you're ready and see if you've made any decisions.
Okay.
Oh, it's a biggie, isn't it?
It is a
Oh, I
biggie.
wouldn't want to be in your place because
No.
there's 3 great homes. But let's see what happens with a bit of time.
let's.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Come on, ladies. If you'd like more information about any of the properties featured on today's show, go to aplaceinthesun.com/programmes.
We've now shown house hunter Rachel and her niece Caroline all 5 properties here in Limassol for her budget of £70,000 with an additional £15,000 wiggle room. And we've ended up with 3 contenders. This village house, which needs a bit of a refurb, this farmhouse, and this house with blue shutters. It's a tricky decision for sure, and now they've had some time to think and talk things through, I'm intrigued to hear what Rachel wants to do next.
Good afternoon, ladies.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Really well, thank you.
Yeah, good. How was your evening? How did you sleep?
I had so much going round in my head. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's great that, you know, you ended the search like in 3 properties. 3
Yes.
great properties. A little birdie did tell me that you went back to see property too.
I did go back to see property 2. 4 and 5 were similar properties in a way, being the French farmhouse style. Property 2 was different to that, so I wanted to just check that out again.
So how did you eliminate properties?
I eliminated 4.
Okay.
I think it was too small internally for me.
Okay, yeah, that little farmhouse was quite cosy, wasn't it?
It was,
Okay.
yes. So I eliminated that and left myself with 5 and 2.
Number 5, that last property we saw, lovely big house, beautiful blue shutters. You really liked that one, but when I left you, you didn't know, so is it still an option?
No, it's not an option for me. It is a bigger property and there is only me most of the time. And it was the hamlet, I think, that really knocked it out.
So you like this sort of idea of living on a town?
I do now.
Don't keep me in suspense.
Yeah, I think I'd like to put an offer in on property 2.
Fantastic. I think that's a great choice. That property is on the market for just over £72,500.
Yes.
So what offer would you like me to take forward?
I'd like to put an offer in of £66,500.
Okay, I mean, you're going in a bit under.
I am. It definitely needs a totally new kitchen and bathroom.
I mean, it will have been priced in accordance with the fact it needs a new kitchen and bathroom. But let's see. Bonjour, Anthony. It's Jean from A Place in the Sun. I'm good, and I've got some news. Rachel would love to put an offer in your lovely 2-bedroom property. The offer is £66,500. Brilliant. Speak soon. It's gone in.
Oh,
How are you feeling?
I'm a nervous wreck.
Oh, don't be. This is the exciting part.
Oh,
That was quick. Hello. Hi, Anthony. Right. OK, I'm going to pass that back to Rachel and Caroline and I'll give you a call back, OK? Thank you. So, he's saying that the owners are holding out for asking price. Should we try one more?
yeah, shall we try 70,000?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's try 70,000.
You're a cash buyer.
I am, yes, and
Let's
the funds are there.
Anthony, it's Jean again. Rachel has upped her offer and I wonder if you would take forward for us an offer of £70,000. Thank you so much. Right, so there are 2 vendors in this sale, 2 inheritors.
Okay.
The agent doesn't know that he's going to get a hold of one of the vendors tonight.
Right,
He also doesn't know whether he'll accept the offer or not.
right. So,
A waiting game.
or we just accept the asking price and then it's done, isn't it?
I wasn't going to put it as plainly as that, but yeah.
What are you thinking?
I think let's get it done.
Go for the asking price?
Yeah.
Bonjour, it's me again. I have an update for you. Rachel would like to accept the deal for asking price at £72,500. OK, let me pass that back. He said he can definitely make that happen.
Amazing.
Fantastic! You've got yourself a property in
Wow.
France. Oh,
So
well done. Fantastic. How do you feel?
Funny.
It's just been a pleasure, girls.
Cheers.
You too. It's been a great search. I showed Rachel a lot of different properties, so there's been lots to think about, and I think Rachel's been on a great journey, with the help of Caroline, of course. Got a bit tense at the end there, but Rachel went for it, and now she's got herself the dream property here in lovely Limassol.
If you'd like to be on A Place in the Sun to find your own dream home, go to channel4.com/take part.